Welcome back, everybody. Just a quick look at the final product. The only thing I had to do to complete it was add the bumpers and the two side mirrors. I also added a small pizza box on the floor on the inside. I'll try and show a picture of that. It's a little hard to see. You can see again the stash pile in the back of the truck. Got my plates on there. I just noticed I got two plates on the back, probably none on the front. So I'll have to fix that up. And I really like the look of the bottom. Just rusted up just a little bit there, and weathered up really nice. And the hood opens. It's a little tricky, but there's not much. I didn't do anything in there. Just the painting. I'll try and get the light a little lower here. Let's see if we can't really see in there too well. So that's another one completed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next updates. And as you can see here, I did switch the license plates.